Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by confirming prerequisites so the actual pairing goes smoothly. Make sure your iPhone and Mac are updated and that you're signed into the same Apple ID on both devices. This is the authentication backbone. Once done, on the iPhone, open Settings, tap Messages, then Send and Receive to confirm your reachable addresses. On the Mac, open Messages and sign in with the same Apple ID if prompted. This initial alignment prevents common account and verification delays. Next, you enable syncing so conversations flow between devices. On the iPhone, turn on Messages in iCloud or set text message forwarding to allow your Mac to send/receive SMS. Then on the Mac, open Messages, choose Preferences, select iMessage, and enable the phone number and email addresses you want. Make sure two-factor authentication prompts are approved on your iPhone. You may need to enter a code shown there. Doing these steps links message traffic and preserves history across devices. Finally, you confirm success and know how to recover if needed. Send a test iMessage from the Mac and reply on the iPhone to verify two-way syncing and attachments. If messages don't appear, sign out of iMessage on both devices, restart them, then sign back in. That often resolves session or token problems. If you still see trouble, check your Apple ID account status and ensure no network or firewall is blocking ports. This fixes the less obvious connectivity causes.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.